the hint you're giving them, yeah?
Sweet, 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 sweet.
Sweet, 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 sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet, 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 sweet.
SWEET. Sweet. It might have G afterwards, but for now it's sweet. So I don't know. Do you guys know how? Do you know Raja? I want money for Raja. Raja is from Robinson Spice. I want money for Raja. Raja. Then yeah. Hi, Queen. You and this people. Hi, no.
I don't know how they
Hi,
get these places. I don't accept them again. They can't even send money.
Yes.
Guys, nobody can send crypto to Keu's account. How would they do that? Yo, you guys worry too much. Hello, Caroline. Caroline, I see you.
There's this Caroline from Lesotho. Apparently, she sent 4 rand. Ne?
Huh?
So Capitec contacted me that if this 4 rand goes through your account, then Capitec will charge you 50 rand bank charges. That 4 rand hey, yo. Raja at the local tech shop, 2 rand must I send you? Never told, never sis also trend. Chulu want to send me 2 rand because Raja is 2 rand. I'm talking about Robertson Raja, the one that costs 50 rand. 2 rand, what's in 2 rand? Have you seen Makula? So look, have you seen Makula in Santin? Pakistan's in Santin? No. Makula? No. Guys, so I can.
Guy,
We need
today is
extra 500 rand.
but today is
Then
payday now. Ash Angels, come on, please. If you need a Nigeria account, just DM me. Please, guys, let's do this. We can do this. We need money to cook. We have to cook. You don't want the food to be tasteless. So please, let's cook.
and
Guys, let's cook.
Sunday. We've been cooking since Sunday. So tomorrow we are dishing up. We are dishing up hot. And like I said on Sunday, if your name is Tulu and you know you did not contribute, even if I give you a wing, don't have a friend. Just say thank you. Or chicken feeds, just say thank you. Huh? Tulu? Nani? The way you've been saying 100, if I can count those hundreds. Cruise. Talk to your people. No,
Can we just get to 1,000 rands already? Yo, Twitter.
Contribution of the gifting day is ongoing. Yes, you know it's happening live on the right on Saturday on the 31st. So guys, it's gonna get lit that day though. Yeah, it's giving the handsome dude. Guys, please don't fail to do the needs as expected, okay? Alright, it's giving BK always looking good as elbows, giving him a muffin like this guy, gallant, tall, you look good. Yeah. So it has been on trend though. The way he looks, you know, anytime BK posts his good look, it's gone on trend. You know why? Because he's good looking, he's charming, and the way he fits, his outfit, it makes sense. Who among you have noticed this? Okay, can I see your thought, your comments, or your take in the comment section regards what I said? Okay. Alright, on Chada Terms, you said King Bejas. What calls for this? That's been giving Uyanda and more ever since he came back from the morning and all that, like he's spilled though. It has been giving Uyanda. So what is bringing? What's up with him right now? We're gonna see what he's hoping. You can see the picture, see the love. You alone, Uyanda. This guy will not cease to amaze me. Are you guys sad? Anyway, congratulations Uyanda as he bags another major partnership with the Fix South Africa, Uyanda, and the Fix. Oh, whoa, Fix South Africa. Like, congratulations. I know something is brewing after the hype, because that hype, once hype is going, there's always something with hype, okay? And if there is not just like that, it's cool though. Yes, there's a lot with hype, and that hype is making me happy. If not Uyanda, then who? Him alone, our drip king, Uyanda for the Fix. Axel, blah blah. Anyway, guys, the Fix competition is about Uyanda back another gig. Or really, so the fans, beaters are celebrating him right now because it is day. So, guys, make some noise for Uyanda, him alone, because that him alone has turned to be his other name, because people are using it on him right now, even the fans. Oh yeah, that's so messy. Anyway, say fuck on, let's go have Mshini there by the DST Instagram page. For real, whoa, what is happening? What is really happening with Mshini? Okay, guys, it is Mshini, alright, and they brought her new look. You know, every of the housemates want to look. In fact, if you're not trained, you train yourself, so you go very. That is how and what it is. Mshini, and then this is her with this her look. But this girl, but guys, let's not lie, she is very pretty. When I mean pretty, then pretty. Come to see the face. Yeah. She's giving me face card and more. You saw the face, you see the smile. Oh, whoa! So the fans, after posting this, fans were just training her, and that, guess what? But guys, without trend and this thing, actually nothing will come to place. You can see, just like that, too. This is not start. Mshini looking good. Her apartment is clean. Comparing her to Ashley is an insult house. Ashley has turned into a farm. After the Nigerian woman left, she started looking a mess. Even the meat and went out, it was ugly. Oh god, what are these salads? Once Ashley and Mshini comes to play, or once typing Mshini through on Ashley, once I'm hyping Ashley through on Mshini, what the heck is this? Ashley, stop comparing yourself with Mshini. She is way too far beautiful and neat than you, Uzi go floor. Why this neat thing comes to play? Because it has been a help. You know, the video of her going to more body shape, insult, face, throw, and all that. They really show Ashley, because she wasn't wearing makeup, she was just being herself, a true on her. So that is what that signifies. After this post, I didn't come across any drags about her being a Google or who told you? Are you guys? Who told you? They have been calling her that till now. In fact, that has taken her name. They're calling her Magugu. Is still repeating itself. You'll be surprised you see it at the end of this video now. The pure love I have for her as the organized it, or bringing all, making all the pictures together just to, emphasize on this is giving me goosebumps. You know what it takes to make all her pictures and pen days, that is the kind of love you have for her is top notch. It's nothing to compare with. Oh really? I see, because it's obvious that you really love her. There's not anyone can tell me. So guys, Ashley Ogu, she's always a trend center. But guys, let me touch you guys this thing. You see this one? Ashley Ogu, this has been trending 28th June, another gig. Josie, guys, and I think this is happening on where again. Alright, the location of fans who relate to her. I think it's in Joburg though. Yeah, Ashley and Royal, though they have finally brought the flyer. Yeah, this is flyer because we've not once announced Royal thinking. Yeah, is it? So this has been trending. The reason why I didn't trend that one because it has been announced, but this is the flyer though. Location on sale. Let's go Ashley and game Royal. So guys, that game Royal that people spill on consecutively about the scam that comes with it, blah blah blah. This that was ratified. Then if you can recall really. So they were trending it yesterday. Your host with the most, your work. Are you ready? Don't be small host with the most. Like Ashley always making waves. A lot to say about her. If you didn't have anything to say, there is always something to talk about Ashley. Guys, are you joking? Are you playing with this soul? Because Grace House found her. Ashley Ogo, that is okay. Ashley Ogo, that is Joburg girl. Everybody makes effort to look good. If you want to look like a pharaoh, go back to Wentworth, sis cha. Alright, that language for me. So yeah, it's a bragging thing for your fave. You will want it. You can say anything and you can hype her because it's your fave. For those who are throwing on her because you have access, is your mouth, is your doings. If you don't like anybody, but you shouldn't go that way. It's very, very the way you guys go about it. I mean, the trollers is not aberrant to me. Someone said they are forcing happiness. The China brand is not enough for them. Frank, okay, when you're done crying, kindly take a nap. Cause Ashley is dropping another China brand and with one of us the happiness. So you will need more energy to cry more. Yeah, biggest said is that for those who are crying about this, okay, China brand, blah blah blah, that there is more to come. But guys, that is the way it is, because this girl, the time you felt things are less, that is when things are coming to play in her life, because success is a joke. I almost forget it. My baby's gifting is weak. How are preparations going in Mara? Is everything coming? They are preparing already. If you really watch that, listen to that space very well. It's all about the gifting process and all that, because that is what they are trying to, put together. Because some are not cooperating yet, some have not started putting things in order, so the fans are calling their attention, so they will not be taking on our words because it's a loss for her. They have a loss plan for her. You can see all those things listed all in her name. So guys, it's giving follow Ashley on Instagram, please. To overcome that shadow ban, because guess what, the shadow ban has been making and been causing the Ashley's sleepless nights. Yes, because they know how far their babe would have gone right now because the followers choke. So guys, what do you have to say regards Ashley sources and those comparing her to Mshini? I don't understand what things come to play. They aren't any, but fans make it seem so. So what are your take? Because I'll be hanging up to see my next video. Okay, catch you later. Bye for now.